Welcome to Ones Academy. In this video, we will talk about how to manage your daily work with Ones.com. Team members in different roles or positions focus on different aspects of their work. In Ones.com, we can conveniently manage our personal information and work through Personal Info and My Work. Setting your personal information helps secure your account and your coworkers can know you better. After logging into Ones.com, click your profile photo on the top right corner. Select Profile, then you can view or edit your personal information, such as your profile picture, username, organization, position, and email, and you can also change your password here. The system language can also be changed according to your preference or business needs. You can also connect your Ones.com account with third-party account, like your Google account, for quick login. Next, let's take a look at My Work. My Work is where we view and manage the work that we are most concerned about. So you can customize My Work according to your preferences or business needs. There are 4 modules in My Work: Overview, Dashboards, Filters, and Work Log. In Overview, we can see information such as star dashboards, recent projects, and recent spaces. Here you can get to your frequently used projects or spaces among tons of them. Besides that, in Overview, you can also manage your dashboards, projects, and spaces by creating and configuring them. Here's a little tip. On the homepage of every Ones product, you can quickly find your frequently used projects or spaces by starring them. For example, in Ones project, you can star a project by clicking the star icon to the right of its title. The next module in My Work is Dashboards. It displays various data tables and reports. When we need to give a report to our leaders, we can manage the layout of dashboards by customizing widgets. After clicking Edit Dashboards and Add Widget, we can see that Ones.com has multiple types of widgets, including Custom Report, Sprint Overview, Issue List, etc. You can also manage dashboards by dragging widgets to adjust their positions and sizes. There are 2 kinds of permissions that you can set up on dashboards: private and share. Private means that dashboard is accessible only to yourself, and share means the dashboard can be shared with specific departments and members. When a project manager needs to show project data to team members on daily stand-ups, sharing dashboards will be a great way to do so. Add to Star Dashboards is to display the dashboard on the home page of Dashboards by default. In that way, we can directly see the star dashboards when we open the Dashboards page. The next module is Filters. Filters' function is to help us quickly reach the issues of interest and view the details by setting various dimensions of filtering rules. The filtering scope is all the issues that your account has permission to view in the system. There are 2 system preset views in Filters, Assigned to Me and Watching. Among all the tasks that we are working on, there must be some tasks that need special attention. Then we can use filters combining with views to manage our work. Let's say I want to focus on uncompleted tasks. I can click Manage View, Create View, enter the name of the view, then click OK to create a new view, and then we can set up filtering rules as needed. After creating a view, we can customize the page layout, structure, sorting, and grouping rules so that the views display our work content more accurately. In Ones, there are 4 kinds of layout: Narrow Detail, Wide Detail, List, and Board. Narrow Detail allows us to get a whole view of the issue list and quickly switch between different issues. Wide Detail is the layout that displays the detailed information of a single issue, including all its activities like comments, attachments, links, changelog, etc. List supports customizing headers to show data more clearly. Board Layout focuses on the distribution and transition flow of issue status. In Board View, you can configure and edit the issue status in columns. In addition, we can configure the name and permission of filter views. You can set a view's permission as private or share, just like that of dashboards. Sharing views will help a lot when we need to share task progress with team members on weekly meetings. The last module that we will talk about is Work Log. It is where we can quickly log our work time. As a team member, especially developers, One of the things you must do before the end of the day is to log your work hours. However, there are a lot of issues in one's project, so it may not be easy to find the place to log time. Then we can use WorkLog in My Work to log time for issues that we are responsible for with one click. In summary, whether you're a team member or a leader, you can use My Work to manage your daily work well. And for team leaders, they especially need the dashboards, filters, and views in My Work to help them quickly see what their team is doing. Thank you for watching this video. If you got any questions, please contact us at support@ones.com. See you next time.